That's why I be saying taking deals sometimes ain't always good because they become case law. Then they use them that same shit against other brothers to knock them in the head.
Yeah.
You feel what I'm saying? So like you said, case law is definitely go both ways. So like you were saying, that definitely would be a good case to reference.
Yeah.
If you got that same situation, you dig what I'm saying? Especially like I said, as long as it ain't malice intent, when you saying they were stabbed multiple times. Normally when it's multiple times and you stab somebody to the chest, that's like they look at it as being personal.
Yeah.
You think I'm saying? They consider that to be a person. That's something personal. Stabbing somebody in the heart, because you looking at them and you doing that. You know what's going on. Even if you in a blank second of insanity, that's what insanity is. When you blank out.
Yeah, and I saw the knife that she had. It was like a little small knife. Wasn't a real a big kitchen knife. It was a small knife, about not even, it was small.
Some shit in there cutting potatoes with. He coming, or bitch you leave, huh? Or it's over.
Yeah,
then she chased him outside, ran the car, and then he like, go ahead, stop playing, thinking it's over. She done cut the distance down, stuck him.
He probably didn't know he was gonna die. He just start seeing the blood bleeding
and start overpaying. Sometimes that
start panicking.
Yeah, because like they young, they don't be knowing. Like you said, when you see, you know to calm down, chill, and all that. You feel what I'm saying? You gotta. That's deep. Yeah.
So what's happening to people? Like like people coming through these prison systems with these type of cases? Like, I didn't mean it. It was an accident anymore. So I spent the block with the gun and shot the corner up and killed them. These cases, like, I didn't mean it. I stabbed him by mistake, or I shot him by mistake. How are they carried in prison when they get to the block?
A lot of cases like that. A lot of times they don't really be wanting to. They don't really tell nobody that type of case. You know what I'm saying? Because you got to think when you look at people with cases in jail, they just show you their charges. So it's gonna be homicide. You think I'm saying? Whatever the other underlying
details of
right. They don't really get into details of what it was. You feel what I'm saying?